Verona is our wagger of the week. She's a good girl. If you'd like to adopt a senior pet from the Humane Society, Verona will be in the studio in just a few minutes. 9:20, we're looking for upper 80s or so for the high today. Samantha joins us as she does always at this time every Friday morning with our wagger of the week from the Humane Society. And we got a big girl in here this morning and an older girl.
Yeah, she's 9.
Yeah, she's 9. She's a Verona. Tell us about Verona.
So would you be able to tell she was 9 just by looking at her?
No.
Yeah, no. I know. It's hard to tell.
She's not running all around being crazy like a puppy or anything, but she's definitely got some energy to her. Yeah.
And she's very active. She's a boxer mix. And as we all know, boxer mixes are very active. But she is a little bit on the older side. But nonetheless, she still is very interactive with people and kids. She would make a great family dog. She's very social. Mm-hmm. She takes treats very gently. She does pull a little bit on her leash, but that's because she's really excited. And she doesn't get to go out a lot, just once in the morning for her walk.
Well, if you took her out more often, then she wouldn't be going excited.
Right. She would have some mental stimulation and not be pulling so much.
Right.
And she recently had surgery because she had a little bit of a tumor on her side, but thank goodness it was nothing serious. It was just some fatty tissue. So
yeah, she's fine. Yeah. Stop by the shelter there on Kelvin near Dodge. Let's give Verona a home.